Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we have the pleasure of reviewing this 1965 black on black, numbers matching, 327, 350 horse Corvette. One of 560 triple black roadsters from 1965. This one's extra special, as if anybody has watched Classic Cars of Sarasota's YouTube channel and also the world-renowned Horsepower Warehouse, this car has been fully restored, nut and bolt, chassis restoration by Horsepower Warehouse and Chris Jr. Full chassis restoration along with a new cloth top, and that is a Hartz soft top, along with new interior, which we'll get into just shortly, but it has all new trim and new panels when we open up the doors. But you can see when we get underneath it, a full nut and bolt restoration. All new driveline. You'll see stainless steel brake lines, stainless steel fuel lines, powder coated chassis. Again, nut and bolt. Every nut and bolt has been replaced. Powder coated, refreshed, like new. Steve Keach did the engine. You can see the floor pans. Transmission gets rebuilt in-house along with the rear end by Chris Jr. from Horsepower Warehouse. And you can see the chassis, powder coated, beautiful as you'd expect. Again, as I mentioned, four-wheel power disc brakes, new exhaust system, all very well done. And again, one of 560 triple black from 1965. As I mentioned, full nut and bolt restoration on this vehicle. See the knockoff red lines. The paint did not need it, so we did not paint the vehicle. But as I mentioned, the interior is all new, along with the Hartz soft top. Bear with the video as I let the vehicle down, but we'll show you the interior and also the engine from above. Again, apologize for the video as we let it down. If you are interested, please call 941-355-1955 or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. If you're not familiar with Horsepower Warehouse, please look at YouTube, Horsepower Warehouse by Chris Jr., a very famous, world-renowned Corvette builder that is in-house here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. And we are very happy to offer this car to our customers. You can see it online. We do have additional pictures online. There's about 50 to 75 pictures of it, but just wanted to show everyone a video and a walk around of the vehicle. Beautiful black on black and black 1965 convertible. As you can see, the paint shines. Sorry for the flashing lights. We got stop lights in the back that is flashing on it. But again, you can see the glare on the paint. As I mentioned, all new refreshed engine, number matching, vintage air, power brakes, power steering as well. excuse me, no power steering on this, sorry. Power brakes, vintage air, 327, 350 horse, matching numbers. There's the new cloth top. Show you the new interior. Again, seats are in fantastic condition, obviously being brand new. Apologize for the dark. The light inside. Go ahead and start it up. This vehicle also has a working clock, as if you get anything restored by Junior, it's done to world-class standards, and as it should be, better than the factory or equal to. This happens to have 12 miles. There you go, you can see without the reflection, 12 miles since the restoration. And we'll go ahead and get it started. I failed to mention it is a 4-speed. And here we go. Neutral. See the oil pressure there, temperature, tack. Get out, hear the engine, and then go hear the exhaust out the back. Again, if you are interested, please call us 941-355-1955. For this 1965 triple black Corvette convertible. You can hear that exhaust, sounds fantastic. As I mentioned, view our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. You can see this Corvette along with many other Corvettes. We have a 68, several other cars, Roadrunner, 69 Chevelle, Camaro, Z28, a Dodge Challenger, to name a few, but you can see the rest on our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com.